Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to save and upload a stadium to the vault in MLB The Show 26. First, go to the Create tab and open Stadium Creator. Either create a brand new stadium or open one you have already been working on. Once you are done making your changes, press the options or menu button and save the stadium to one of your available stadium slots. After the stadium has been saved, go to the My Stadium section. Find the stadium you want to upload. Highlight the stadium, then press Square on PlayStation or X on Xbox to open the Stadium Options menu. From there, select Upload. The game will then upload your stadium to the vault so other players can find and download it. If you get an upload failed message, don't panic. Many players have reported that the stadium still goes through and simply takes some time to appear in the vault. If that happens, wait a little while and check again later. Once the upload is complete, your stadium will be available in the Stadium Vault and can be shared with the community. And that's how to save a stadium to the vault in MLB The Show 26. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.